Bitcoin is showing strength this morning, but is it because of a looming war? Plus, will Bitcoin's dark history repeat itself in the coming month, or will this time be different? Luxury car dealers are now accepting crypto, and one altcoin is showing signs of a coming rally. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Did you know that in Altcoin Buzz Alpha, we have an average of 8 buy and sell calls, 15 strategy calls, 12 alerts, 9 portfolio changes, 5 IDO strategies, 8 airdrop tasks, 3 gem calls, 6 Q&A sessions, and 11 announcements a month. To make things even sweeter, we're giving away 1 month of Alpha subscription for free. Altcoin Buzz, in collaboration with ENJINSTARTER, brings you an exclusive giveaway. Now get a free 1 month Altcoin Buzz Alpha membership. Don't miss out. Check out the links in the description below. Bitcoin starts a new week firmly in the October spirit as the weekly close gives way to a classic short squeeze. In a return to classic Bitcoin price volatility of the kind seen earlier this month, the largest cryptocurrency is tackling $28,000 ahead of the first Wall Street Open. While still in an established trading range, Bitcoin is keeping traders on their toes, with both longs and shorts getting caught out by short-term price moves, and liquidations are mounting. The climate headed into the first Wall Street Open is decidedly different from that over the weekend and before, where the downside characterized the landscape amid problematic macroeconomic reports from the United States. Covering the impetus behind the latest action, monitoring resource CoinGlass noted liquidations among short Bitcoin positions. Trader Crypto Tony was more cautious, having previously warned of the potential for significant downside pressure, taking Bitcoin all the way back down to $20,000 in the coming months, saying the bulls could very well take us up to the $29,000 resistance zone, but remember this is a heavy area. If you're longing now, just be cautious. Meanwhile, for research firm Santiment, there was more to the change of tone than merely short squeezes. It showed that older Bitcoin was on the move, having left wallets after extended periods of dormancy immediately before the return to $27,000. They said the largest amount of dormant Bitcoin changing wallets since July, these spikes in our age consumed metric indicate price direction reversals. While negative just last week, the push to $28,000 now means that Bitcoin is up 3.5% since the beginning of the month. With 2 weeks until the monthly close, Bitcoin's ultimate performance remains anyone's guess. 3.5%, while far from poor, would still constitute Bitcoin's weakest October month since 2018. Data from CoinGlass further shows the worst October on record in 2014 produced only 12% losses for Bitcoin, leaving the door open for a new red record. In a LinkedIn post on October 12th, famous investor Ray Dalio warned that the risk of World War III occurring had increased to 50% over the past 2 years. He wrote saying, "Fortunately, the progression towards a world war between the biggest powers, the US and China, has not yet crossed the irreversible line from being containable, which it is now, to becoming a brutal war between the biggest powers and their allies," adding, "If these major powers do have direct fighting with each other, in which one side kills a significant number of people on the other side, we will see the transition from contained pre-hot war conflicts to a brutal World War III. One reason that may have led to Bitcoin's increase last night is a flight to safe haven assets. Gold has been pumping since Dalio wrote that piece, and as the new digital version of gold, Bitcoin may be following suit. But also make sure to check out Rainey's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel, where he'll explain how he's planning to trade Bitcoin." Our partners at Trust Wallet have a big new update coming out today. As one of the most trusted and popular wallets on the market, we're always watching when they're up to something new. The wallet has a new look as well, so let's check it out. Right away, we see the icons are smaller with more assets listed on the mobile screen. This means less scrolling on your mobile, and we like that. You can easily click the Manage Crypto button to see what networks you're on. This is much easier to manage as well. In the old setup, you always had to remember the filter and search key on the upper right to search your assets and networks. This is much simpler, and we like that. Another great feature we've only ever seen in one other wallet is the ability to see all of your addresses in one place. With EVM, the address is the same. Yet here, as you see on screen, you can also see your Bitcoin address, XRP address, Tron addresses, and more. This is super convenient, and it shows how many networks this great wallet covers. If you've been looking for a reason to ditch MetaMask, or maybe just find a great, secure EVM wallet that covers other networks as well, then it's time to give Trust Wallet a try. Click the link below and give it a try on your mobile or browser extension today. Ferrari will accept cryptocurrency payments for its luxury sports cars in the United States due to customer demand. According to an October 14th report from Reuters, Ferrari's chief marketing and commercial officer, Enrico Gagliera, confirmed the intentions of the luxury car brand. Ferrari's choice to accept cryptocurrency payments was driven by market demand and dealer requests, with numerous clients, including crypto-savvy young investors, having invested in digital currencies. Although Gagliera didn't specify the number of cars Ferrari expects to sell via cryptocurrency payments, he reportedly stated that the carmaker's strong order portfolio is fully booked until 2025. Ferrari aims to test this expanding market to connect with potential buyers beyond its usual clientele. The luxury automaker plans to introduce cryptocurrency payments in Europe by the first quarter of 2024 and expanded in other crypto-friendly regions afterwards. For its initial phase in the US, Ferrari has reportedly partnered with major cryptocurrency payment processor BitPay. This collaboration enables transactions in Bitcoin, ETH, and USDC. Gaillard confirmed that there will be no additional fees or surcharges when using cryptocurrency, as BitPay will promptly convert cryptocurrency payments into conventional fiat currency for Ferrari dealers, ensuring that they're shielded from cryptocurrency price fluctuations. Bitcoin and crypto markets are highly cyclical, and patterns have emerged that have repeated every cycle so far. Bull markets have followed halving events, but a larger pullback has come in the period just before them, which is about now. With around 6 months to go to the next Bitcoin halving in April or May next year, analysts are looking for signals from previous cycles. On October 13th, crypto trader and analyst Rec Capital posted a rather bleak reminder of what happened at the same point in the previous cycles. With less than 190 days to go before the event, it could give us an indication of where the prices are going for the rest of the year. In 2015, Bitcoin prices retraced 25%, around 6 months before the 2016 halving. Furthermore, Bitcoin prices dumped a whopping 38% in late 2019, which was also around 6 months before the 2020 halving. A similar retrace during this pre-halving period could send Bitcoin prices plunging back to the $20,000 level. Moreover, the notion of a November dump has recently been echoed by several analysts. Earlier this week, technical analyst CryptoCon compared previous market cycles in the run-up to the halving. The past two had similar 6-month sideways trending periods leading up to the end of the year. However, November saw prices retreat to lows, which became the pivot for the next bull market. He said, "We're still waiting for the one date that these cycles lined up perfectly, November 21st. Crypto trader and analyst Mags made a similar observation, noting how much Bitcoin was down from its peak 6 months before the halving. In 2015, Bitcoin was 65% below its all-time high at this time in the cycle. In 2019, Bitcoin was around 60% below its all-time high, and in 2023, Bitcoin is currently 61% below its all-time high. If the cycles are destined to repeat, it could quickly fall much lower." On October 15th, a transfer of 6,000 Maker tokens, equivalent to roughly $8.5 million, occurred, according to Whale Alerts. The tokens were moved from Binance, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, to an unidentified wallet shrouded in mystery. In recent months, data regarding Maker has shown a series of notable deposits, swaps, and accumulations conducted by prominent players in the cryptocurrency space. Among them is MakerDAO's co-founder Rune Christensen, who has been making waves with his strategic moves. Rune Christensen acquired 1,613 Maker by swapping a substantial 1.61 million DAI at an average price of $998 per Maker. He also removed 300 Maker and $350,000 of DAI from the Uniswap liquidity pool, signaling a calculated shift in his holdings. In May, Justin Sun, the founder of the Tron Network and crypto investor, transferred Maker tokens worth $4.3 million to Binance. Blockchain data reveals that a wallet connected to Sun initiated a transaction involving 6,802 Maker tokens at a price of $633 per token. Christensen has put forward a proposal where he suggests reimagining the Maker protocol on a new blockchain forked from Solana. This ambitious move is part of Maker's endgame plan aimed at enhancing efficiency, resilience, and participation. However, Christensen acknowledges that this transition would be a long-term endeavor spanning at least 3 years. And because of this, a lot of big players in the space, including whales, have been buying up a lot of Maker, causing it to rally. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.